Hey guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to learn more about personalizing your Google Sites and updating your Google Sites. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So now we are on our Google site. So let's see how can we add a footer. So scroll down to the bottom of your site and here you can see edit footer. Click on edit footer and here you can edit the text and you can add whatever footer you want to add. Like if you do have if you want to mention your copyright for this site, you can even do that, and you can give your contact details, like you can get in touch at your email address, or if you do have your WhatsApp services which answer to queries through WhatsApp or any other services, you can mention it here. So in this way you can edit your footer. And now let's see how can we add a banner to our Google site. So to do this, in the top right corner you can see the settings option. Click on the settings and here you will get many options and go for announcement banner. And here if you want to customize the color of the banner, click on the banner color and select a color. So you can select any color from this. So let me select this blue. And if a show banner isn't already toggled on, turn it on like this. And in the announcement section, in the text box, enter the banner message. So let's say I want to give it like hurry up. And now to create a button with a link on your banner, enter the text in the button label section and enter the URL in the link section. So let's say I want to add my button label to be enroll now, and the link to be you can use any external links or your inbuilt pages that are on your site. So I want to use my site pages. I want to link it to the classes page, and then if you want the link to open in a new tab on your browser, then check this box to open in a new tab. To choose how would you like to display the banner on your site, in the visibility section select the home page or else all pages, and once you click on the publish, here you can see that this banner appears here. So it says hurry up, enroll now and block your seats, and it gives you an button. Click on the button and it will take you to the particular page. The page that I have mentioned is courses page. So the button works like this. And then now let's see how to add a logo. And logos appear in the top navigation bar next to the site name. So logo files can be in .jpg or PNG or GIF format. For the best results, the logo height should be at least 112 pixels. So firstly, to add your logo, go to the point to the top of the page header and click on the add logo, and here you will be able to upload your logo or you can select the logo. So let me click on the select for now. So I chose this LinkedIn logo to just show you how it works, and then you can even give this alt text. This alt text is accessed by the screen readers for the people who might have troubling seeing your content. For the disabled people, it will be very useful. So let me say this is logo of so and so company. And in any case, if you want to edit this logo, you can just click on edit logo and you can go here and you can change all the things that you want to change, you want to edit. So this is how it works. So now next we'll see how to add content from other website. So by using this, you can embed websites, web apps using Google Apps scripts or AppMaker, Google Data Studio reports. Depending on what website you add, you might be able to customize how the site appears on your site. and some allow a preview option or an option to see dynamically updated content. After you add content, you might need to sign in again to see the update. So let's quickly see how can we add from other website to our site. So firstly, go to your site. So this is my site, and go to click on insert, and once you scroll up you can see this option called as embed. So by using this embed, we'll be able to add the content from other website. It helps us to add the content from the other website. So click on the embed. So firstly, let's go to the other page so that we can embed the other web pages on our site. So let's say you are offering some courses related to Java programming language, and you want your visitors to know the importance of Java, importance of taking Java course from your site. So you want to embed this web page onto your Google site. So for this, let's copy this URL, and then let's go back to our site where we're embedding this web. So after going here, you can paste on this link, and then here you can see how its preview look like and how the whole page look like. So you can select between these two, like if you want to show only the preview, or if you want to show your the whole page of this site to your visitors. So let's say I want to show my visitors, my students, this preview. So let's click on insert after selecting this, and here you can see the preview of the page. It looks like this. You can even change this, like you can even align this text according to your needs. And if you can't add or preview content, you can contact the website's owner if you really want to add their content on your site. If you cannot do that, you can contact him or her. And then the next one, we'll see how to move and resize your content on your site. So anything you insert is added as a content, mean a tile on the canvas grid. Tiles snap to the grid, so it's easy to move, align and edit them. So we'll see how can we move and resize those tiles, those content in our site. So firstly, we need to we'll just see how can we move the site content. To do this, we'll go to any site content. Let's say let's go for this content, or else like this image, this content, this calendar content, or else let's go and click on this one only. And if you see this this icon, like this one which my cursor is looking right now, after you see this, you can drag this to change the position of your content. Like this, you can drag it and paste it anywhere. So you can drag it to the highlighted area. And the second thing is resizing your site content. So let's select this content only again, and you can see this blue circles. So these blue circles are used to resize this. We have seen earlier too how can we resize, how can we align our content. So by using these blue circles, we can align your content like this. If you even want to make it this way, you can do it like this, or if you want to make it wider, you can do this. So in this way you can resize your content. And then group objects. So you cannot you can connect text boxes and images together in a vertical group. How we can do it? So firstly, let's add a photo and text box to our site. So let's go and click on the text box, and let me give the text box to be enroll for Java course. Now if you want to change the order of your groups, you can even do that. So how you can do it, just click on your group and you can use your arrows on your keyboard. Like let me use the upper arrow to move. Let's click on this and let's move it up and down. In this way you can reorder your objects on your Google site. And now let's see lastly how to ungroup your objects. To ungroup, you can just let's see this grouped objects. It has text box and an image. If you want to ungroup this, click on just go to one of the object and drag it from here, and you can place it like this, or else like it has got grouped here. So let's place it very much down. So now they are ungrouped. In this way you can group your objects, you can ungroup your objects, and you can perform many things to your content on your Google site. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.